spirit lantern. Never seen this before. Look at him, he's clearing a special case. Give him the old man. This one's all skins and bones. Huh? Okay. What do you have? Wow, I have a hand. Well, I don't really need a hand. Whoa, what? I think I want to go to the portal. I guess I'm gonna go for it. Huh? What? This is the same place? Oh my god, that makes a real sound. I can smell it. I can't do this. I can't. Can I please, Shotgun, can you take me home? Sure, go in my mouth. You didn't really need to respond like that. You could have just opened your mouth, but okay. Huh? Where am I? Oh, I just watched a flood rise. This could have been a better thing. I have stuff in my inventory. I think I'll take some of these since it looks useful. Well, here we go. Huh? Oh, I should probably go deep underwater. I wasn't fully under air. Well, wow. It looks like this is not really bad. And why am I gray? Can't even see my... There I go. I can finally see myself. Wait, invent? Huh. Oh, I can blow bubbles. That's cool. Whee! That's really stressful thing. Wow. This before. Wait, what's happening? What am I doing here? What the? Probably speak to the judge like that. Wait, I'm in front of a tornado. Well, good luck to the people that sucks at this game. Bruh, guess I have to do this all over again. Okay, one more time. Oh, come on, again? I guess I'll sit here, I guess. Yeah. Well, it's nothing more than that. Don't go. Don't go. Wait, oh, poor lady. I hope she'll be alright. That is really good singing, girl. Wait, why am I so great? There I go. Man, what's going on? I'm like being sent to different places now. All of a sudden. I should probably get some rest. I can't get rest. Well, it's fun while it lasted. Oh, now I'm fully underwater. Why is there so many people over here? Why is everybody stuck? Wait, come back. I'm going to tell you how I feel about you. Whatever. Am I just locked up now? Wait, what is this? No, please. Did not mean to do that. Help me. There. No. Please. No. Help. Oh. Well, I can trap people at least. You're gonna be trapped with me. Sorry. Not sorry. Hey, you better get me out here, or I'm gonna beat your... Well, no, I'm trapped here. What lame. No. Whatever, I'll get freed in a few minutes. My next victim is up there. Seriously? I did that all for nothing. I'm just gonna go to the areas where I can see. I'll mind first, next victim. Wait, where am I? No. Still no person? Ballet. Oh no, say so. Oh my goodness, come back here. No. No. Let me out, you little. I'll literally kill your. Goodness. There, you're locked in forever. Let me out, you little bitch. I've been waiting so long to meet my family, and you just locked me here. Sorry, Reels. No. Well, what are you guys doing? I'm trying to get out of this lady's personal space. No, I jailed her for a reason. So you're next. Wait, what? Forget it. You're going to jail, mister. What? I give up. Well, gosh!